Incredible news as Ghana makes another groundbreaking discovery. Following the discovery of an unspecified amount of offshore oil, the country has yet again discovered iron ore minerals in 5 districts of the Oti region. A discovery of this mind-boggling magnitude can single-handedly shape Ghana into an economic powerhouse in Africa, as well as put the country on the global market as one of the leading countries dealing in the minerals. So, stick to this video to the end to know more about this massive and monumental discovery that is potentially going to be a game changer for the Ghanaian economy, the incredible benefits it has for the nation, and all the information on this astonishing discovery. Before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. It's an exciting time for Ghanaians, and most especially people living in the Oti region, as Ghana makes a massive discovery of iron ore in 5 districts of the region. This news was announced by the Oti Regional Minister, Honorable Joshua Makuba. The minerals were discovered in the Gwa, Biakoye, Jasikai, Kajebi and Krachi East district of the Oti region. The discovery is hopefully going to be a saving grace of sorts for the nation, but most importantly for the people of the Oti region, who are going to see this region being totally rejuvenated and locals given employment in the mining of this mineral. This amazing discovery follows after a total of 10 iron ore blocks in the Oti region were allocated to selected investors by the Ghana Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation to undertake geoscientific studies, commonly known as mineral resource estimation. The process encompassed assessing the tonnage, grade and value of iron ore deposits, and after the MRE was done, it was not only ascertained that there were heaps of iron ore deposits hiding comfortably in the region, but that the iron ore deposits discovered are of the highest grade. With 10 investors, the 10 selected investors are Africa Exploration, Gem Global, Cloudline Ghana, Q3, Star Steel, Shokram, B5 Plus, Fabri Metal, Planet One and Contract Service Limited. With steel as the massive derivative from iron ore, the massive discovery is going to propel Ghana into becoming an economic powerhouse by helping the nation generate a substantial wealth from its exports. Its operationalization will significantly change the fortunes of people living in the Oti region, as well as lead to the creation of thousands of jobs for most Ghanaians in the country. The Oti Regional Minister, who supports the same claim, has advised people living in Accra and parts of the country to start looking for land in the Oti region, because what is going to take Ghana from its current state to a very industrialized nation has been found in the Oti region, and that is the iron ore mineral. You see, iron ore is also the source of primary iron for the world's iron and steel industries. It is therefore essential for the production of steel, which in turn is essential to maintain a strong industrial base. Almost all, that is 98% of the iron ore, is used in steel making. Iron is the world's most common used metal, of which it is the key ingredient, representing almost 95% of all metal used per year. It is used primarily in structures, ships, automobiles and machinery. Because of this importance, Ghana has to import massive amounts for its operations in its steel industry. This led to an expensive and outrageous dependency on other countries, and now Ghana's dependency on other countries for iron ore is so detrimental that the Bank of Ghana has warned that the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war can potentially cripple Ghana's construction industry, since the nation imports about 60% of its steel and iron ore from Ukraine alone. You see, Ghana's import of iron and steel was $359 million a year during 2019 and has been steadily rising ever since. This statistic is according to the United Nations Camp Trade Database. Other sources claim that currently, due to the instability of the US dollar, the country blows well over $1 billion a year for its iron ore imports. So, this discovery and subsequently its development could spell success and in a way independence in terms of iron ore imports for this country, which has been so enriched by God. This discovery adds Ghana to the handful of 50 countries currently dealing in the sale of high-grade iron ore minerals. The discovery, if handled properly, will lead to the creation of numerous steel companies, mining companies, smelting corporations, amongst other institutions, which would materialize for the operations and development stage of the iron ore minerals. This means thousands for Ghanaians who are currently in dire need of sustainable jobs. More information on this amazing discovery, when made available, would be relayed immediately on this channel. If you like contents like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this this channel for more of these. Also, check out this video next on other amazing developmental projects in another region that will blow your mind. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.